Hello, welcome back. Today I'll be making this two-layer velvet and vanilla cake. Yes, these are my snack. I like snacking them when I'm working. First time here, please do consider subscribing, like, comment, and don't forget to click on that notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are super amazing and very VIP. So what I've done was to crack in 3 eggs, mix it with the sugar, both brown and white sugar, and mix them properly before I introduce my butter. I will also be leaving the ingredients used for this recipe in the description section, so go ahead and check them out. At this point, I'm going to allow you to watch the video from start to finish, and again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share the video out.